The key to digital transformation in the machine tool industry lies in the ability to integrate the physical and virtual worlds. However, the diversity of controller brands and the lack of accurate machine simulation remain major obstacles to the practical implementation of digital twins. We have developed a virtual machine tool digital twin platform that can synchronously connect with mainstream controllers, simulating both 3-axis and 5-axis machining to predict and prevent collisions in advance. By integrating AI models to compensate for thermal error and incorporating friction parameter estimation, the simulation achieves higher accuracy and reliability. Furthermore, the platform supports automatic NC program generation from imported 3D CAD models, significantly reducing preparation time. This is not just a simulation, it's a high-fidelity digital mirror of the real machine, laying a solid foundation for smart manufacturing.